Hi guys, let's see this nice study by Kozlovsky from 1941. So this is an endgame, and normally you just need to give away your bishop against this pawn and it's a draw. I think it's pretty easy when king is near, but in this position king is a little bit far from defending. And of course black can counterattack the f6 pawn. So white has to use that this idea and also to trap this bishop here. You cannot really with this knight get near him, but you can do something different. So white here played knight d7 check. So obviously king goes to c7. And I think this is the move of the game, so knight to f8. So taking control of this h7 square. So you cannot go with bishop, obviously, so you have to move the king. So king here goes to d8. So let's try first this move. And the only winning move here is king to g4. The idea is that you can muscle out this king when it goes to e5, attacking the pawn. So you have this move, king to g5, and now it's black's turn to move, and black has to, withdraw from this attacking position. But if we go this way, then it's a draw because of king d5, and now it's white turn to move, and unfortunately we cannot move the king, and because if we move the king, then this pawn falls and it's a draw. Okay, so let's try king here, and after this move, king gets to g7, and after that we will have we'll be able to, let's say, defend this pawn and take the bishop. So this is not drawing for black, so they try king to d8, king f4, and king e8, attacking the knight. It cannot run away already, so it's easy to play this move, and king h6. And black is actually a piece up. If piece somehow moves away, then black is easily winning, but unfortunately just this bishop is really trapped, and it's black's turn to move. Again, if it's white's turn to move, then it's winning for black, but black has to move somewhere, and if they go here, we just capture, and if they go this way, the other legal move, and it's only move king g7, and unfortunately black and nothing can do because they lose this pawn eventually and lose the game. Or if they play this move, again, it doesn't help because we just muscle this king away. All right, thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.